IEC courses offering ISO or IEC 27002 training courses and certification. From Professional Evaluation and Certification Board. ISO or IEC 27002 was originally published in 2005 as a revised version of ISO or IEC 17799, which outlined general guidance for information security. The standard was revised and renamed so that it becomes in alignment with ISO or IEC 27001 with the intention of having two complementary documents that can be used together. ISO or IEC 27002 provides a list of security objectives and controls generally practiced in the information security industry. In particular, clauses 5 to 18 provide detailed implementation guidance to support the controls specified in Annex A of ISO or IEC 27001, Controls A.5 to A.18. It applies to all types of organizations, public and private sector, commercial and non-profit, etc., that face information security risks. An ISO or IEC 27002 training course can help individuals be familiar with the guidelines needed to initiate, implement, maintain, and improve information security management in an organization. As a code of practice, ISO or IEC 27002 is essential in addressing information security controls and best practices based on risk assessment, which are the most important part of an information security management system, ISMS. Thus, ISO or IEC 27002 can also help select the controls needed for implementing an ISMS based on ISO or IEC 27001. A certified ISO or IEC 27002 individual can be crucial in an ISMS implementation team. Organizations may need various controls to comply with the information security requirements. ISO or IEC 27002 helps in that regard by providing common and generic controls to ensure that the proper level of information security is achieved and that legal and contractual obligations are met. The PECB ISO or IEC 27002 training courses are focused on acquiring the necessary knowledge for selecting, implementing, and managing such controls. Individuals who get a PECB certification against ISO or IEC 27002 are able to demonstrate the comprehensive knowledge and ability to assess information security risks based on a formal risk assessment approach and select appropriate risk treatment options by applying relevant controls. A PECB ISO or IEC 27002 certificate demonstrates that you have the knowledge to implement information security controls based on the guidance of ISO or IEC 27002. Understand the relationship between different groups of related information security controls, such as asset management, access control, operations security, human resources security, physical and environmental security, etc. Possess the skills to support an organization in selecting, implementing, and managing information security controls while complying with ISO or IEC 27001. Understand the process of performing periodic risk assessments and selecting the appropriate risk treatment options to help an organization improve its information security posture. Have the knowledge needed to be part of an information security implementation team. You can find the training course that best suits you and your career. ISO or IEC 27002 Introduction. Introduction to Information Security Controls based on ISO or IEC 27002. ISO or IEC 27002 Foundation. Become acquainted with information security controls based on ISO or IEC 27002. ISO or IEC 27002 Manager. Understand the implementation and management of information security controls based on ISO or IEC 27002. ISO or IEC 27002 Lead Manager. Understand the implementation and management of information security controls based on ISO or IEC 27002. PECB, Professional Evaluation and Certification Board, is a certification body which provides education and certification under ISO or IEC 17024 for individuals on a wide range of disciplines. We help professionals and organizations show commitment and competence by providing them with valuable education, evaluation, and certification against rigorous internationally recognized standards. Our mission is to provide our clients with comprehensive services that inspire trust, continual improvement, demonstrate recognition, and benefit the society as a whole. Our principal objectives and activities are: 1. Establishing the minimum requirements necessary to certify professionals. 2. Reviewing and verifying the qualifications of applicants for eligibility to be considered for the certification evaluation. 3. Developing and maintaining reliable, valid, and current certification evaluations. 4. Granting certificates to qualified candidates, maintaining records, and publishing a directory of the holders of valid certificates. 5. Establishing requirements for the periodic renewal of certification and determining compliance with those requirements. 6. Ascertaining that our clients meet ethical standards in their professional practice. 7. Representing its members, where appropriate, in matters of common interest. 8. Promoting the benefits of certification to organizations, employers, public officials, practitioners in related fields, and the public. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937, 0092321505 6755.